Hello, readers, and thank you for coming back for lesson number 3 in Morpheme Matrices, words with the base word port. As we've been stating this week, our morpheme skill is learning about words from the root word port, which means to carry. As we've said before, port is a free root, which means it can stand on its own as a word. Root words can have affixes added to them to create new connected words. By adding prefixes and or suffixes, and that's what the word affixes are, to a word, you slightly change the meaning to a more precise definition. Today we're going to practice adding some suffixes to our root. These are the 4 suffixes we're going to be looking at. ER, which means someone who, or did. We're going to add ION or ATION, which is the act or state of. It's usually as a noun. AL, which is ol, which means relating to. It's an adjective. And last, able, which means able or can be done, usually used as an adjective. Now, let's get started and let's see, as we're looking at the words, see if you can figure out what the definition is before I show it to you. So the first we're going to look at with the word port is we're going to add the suffix er. Now, port means to carry. Means someone who. I bet you can already figure out what the word is going to be and what the definition is. The word, of course, is porter. And what do you think the definition is? Porter is used to describe someone or something who carries something. Because, again, ER, someone who, carry. So that just makes sense. Let's try another one. Or in a sentence, the porter helped carry our luggage to the hotel room. So if you've ever been in a hotel or gone on a trip and somebody from the hotel carries your things from them, their job is a porter because there's someone who carries your bags for you. Let's try another one. Port plus ol. Now, ol can turn a verb or it can turn something into a noun. And it usually means relating to. What would our new word be? Portal. Can you figure out the definition? Portal refers to something that allows something or someone to be carried or moved from one place to another, like a doorway or a gateway. If you've seen a science fiction movie, you may have seen people use portals to travel to other lands or other places, because a portal allows something or someone to be carried to another place. Again, like a doorway. In a sentence, it might say, the ancient portal opened, allowing us to pass through to a hidden world. And that might be a way you've seen it in movies or in text. Let's try another one. Port. We're going to add ION, which means the act or state of. So I'm sure you're already figuring out what our new word's going to be. It's pronounced portion because TION together says shun. Again, the act or state of, what would that be? Portion refers to a part that is carried or separated from a whole. So it's the state of being carried away or removed. In a sentence, you might hear it said, the chef served each person a portion of the cake. It's a piece that was carried to someone else. And last, we're going to add able. Just gave you the word there. And of course, when we add those together, we get port plus able. Able means can be done. Do you know what that might be, the word? Portable means able to be carried. Able, or it can be done, carry, portable. In a sentence, you might see, the portable speaker is easy to carry, so I can take it to the park with me. And that's going to be our last word. We're not going to do silent blending with this one today. We've practiced those already. with lesson 1 and lesson 2. Where lesson 4, which comes next, we're actually going to be bringing everything together and trying to see how we can use prefixes and suffixes at the same time with the root to create some new words. So until then, happy reading.